Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So guys, have you ever watched the advertisement like this? As you can see here, the text is shown after this stuff being replaced to the right. How to create this effect? Don't worry guys, because this video will show you the step by step to create it. So without any further ado, and let's get into it. So the first step I would do, I will use this CapCut from my smartphone. Then I will go to the new project over here. Then I will go to the library and select this black picture as the base to create the text. Then I will choose the text over here, add text, and type the message that you would like to present. Let's say I will type time to save and invest now. And after that I will choose this Robic as the font. Then you can give the full screen and screenshot this text first, then go back to the new project. I will choose this video. Make sure that the video that you have prepared before is support about where is the text will be shown. After this uploaded, then I will remove this watermark. Then I will also choose this aspect ratio to become 9 and 16. Then I will import or overlay the text that we have screenshotted before. We'll choose this one. And since this picture being screenshotted, then I will crop the unnecessary part. Be careful and apply it. And after that, you can also lengthen the duration of this text as same as this clip. Then I will also remove the background, click the chroma key and slightly move this picture. Don't forget to select this text first. I'm sorry. So you can start to remove the background and chroma key. And as you can see, the black background is being removed already. Then you can start to adjust the size of this text, and so does the position. And after that, keep this text being selected. Then you will go to the mask and choose the horizontal and rotate it to become -90. And slide it to the left until the text is gone or being hidden, right? Let's say. And let's see. For this section, you need to be very careful to put the keyframe so the text will be presented smoothly. Be careful. And the more short or the distance between every single keyframe, then the movement can be run smoothly. And let's see the result a little bit. Okay, then I will do the same thing for the rest of the keyframe. I will add the keyframe. You can expand this text first to make sure that the keyframe can be shown very detailed. Add this and do the movement and slide it again a little bit. Add the keyframe, move it, slide this again, add the keyframe and move it again and move it again. Add the keyframe. There you go. And let's see the result. That's it guys, don't forget to try it by yourself into your device and please let us know if this step-by-step tutorial can be benefit for you guys. So don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for this channel. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.